Are you being annoyed by the FreeType-6 library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. While we cover the technical fix for FreeType-6 library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the FreeType-6 library, a specific version of the FreeType font rendering library using the OD6 naming convention common in GIMP and Inkscape. It manages the localized rasterization of glyphs. If missing, these apps will display empty boxes instead of text or will fail to initialize their font cache, crashing the application on startup. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The FreeType-6 library DLL library is a critical dependency of the FreeType Project framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the FreeType-6 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install FreeType-6 library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping FreeType-6 library synchronized. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for FreeType-6 library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.